Hi, I'm Arizona divorce and family law attorney Kyle Scoresby. Sometimes people wonder, what is family law anyway? And let me tell you what it's not. So a lot of times people will call and they'll say, well, family law, that means you do everything, right? Like a family doctor, a general practice doctor. No, that's not what family law is. It's also not a law practice where I practice with my brothers or my sister or my kids are lawyers in the practice. No, it's not a family-run law practice. Family law is really the law of family relationships. So at the front end of that, sometimes you'll have prenuptial agreements. But mostly when we talk about family law, we're addressing what happens when those family relationships unwind. So divorce is the main thing you think of when you talk about a family law lawyer. And let's just address that for a second. In a divorce case, there's going to be several issues that have to be addressed. We're not going to go into them extensively here, but there's dissolving the marriage itself. There's addressing child custody issues, so decision making and parenting time. There's dividing up the assets, and there's deciding spousal maintenance and child support. So those are kind of the major issues in a divorce case. When there are children born out of wedlock, that still falls within the definition of family law. So a child's born out of wedlock, the parents don't stay together as a couple, they split up. They're going to need some court orders. One is a court order establishing paternity, because in Arizona, the father has no rights until a court order is issued establishing him to be the father. Until that happens, the mother has all the rights. So along with establishing paternity, again, there needs to be a court order stating who has legal decision-making authority over the children, what the parenting time schedule is with the children, and the support that needs to be paid. And in that situation, in a paternity case, the court can go back up to 3 years and award back child support in that instance. So if any of those situations apply to you, if you've got a marriage that's unwinding, if you've had a child out of wedlock and you need some court orders to address that, that's what we call family law. That's what we do. Call my office, set a time to meet. We'll be happy to go through all your issues with you.